Hi, welcome to the Best Talent Management Practices of Asia seminar. I wish you all a great time in the seminar. I am sorry I have not been able to make it today because I've been busy working for the National HRD Network forthcoming conference, road shows at various chapters. I would have loved to be there, but for I think these commitments that I have made earlier, I am not able to be there. I'd like to say a few words about the Best Talent Management Practices of Asia seminar and the wonderful work Sujya Banerjee and her team are doing to gather information about the best talent management practices and disseminate it all across the world. This is a great service not only to this country but to other Asian countries and to the whole world. I strongly believe that we are all born talented, and organizations are places which nurture talent of individuals. Most individuals do not recognize the wonderful talent they have, technical, managerial, human relations, and a whole lot of other things, unless they are provided opportunities to exhibit this talent. Talent management means identifying talent, nurturing talent, developing talent, and utilizing talent. I think these are the few things that we talk of. And organizations, through their own practices, are able to nurture talent by not only spotting talented people but using a variety of mechanisms that facilitate the development of this talent. Sujya Banerjee and team have done a wonderful job by inviting narrations from a variety of companies about the way they spot talent, induct talent, nurture talent, develop talent, and utilize talent. I think they will be able to share a whole lot of these things during this particular day. And we have wonderful lineup of speakers who are going to be sharing their experiences across the country. To me, the most important thing in talent management is recognizing the talent by the people involved. That means self discovery is the starting point of any good talent management. HR people have the job of creating climate in which many people can discover their own talent and working with systems and process so that this talent so discovered can be put to use and can be nurtured. Quite unlike the other kind of resources, talent is something which can be multiplied to an unlimited kind of an extent. I'm sure those of you who are attending this seminar will find interesting practices shared by the award winners. I'd like to congratulate all the award winners for taking time and spending energy to disseminate to the rest of the world. It's very important that we do some good work, but it's equally important to disseminate this kind of a good work. Sometimes organizations feel that disseminating good work is not in their interests, but I strongly believe when you disseminate good practices, other people learn and then they utilize it and it flows back to you at some point of time or the other, indirectly or directly to your own kind of an organization. So I congratulate all the award winners and all those who have supplied information for this particular event. I once again congratulate our team, Sujya Banerjee, and many others who have worked behind the screens. And I would wish all of you a great day. Have fun and enjoy yourselves. Bye.